Julor Naka jong unong san Hima.
Kumba shispa saupu hanyo tuli ki Shnong hakaleng jong kari Bhoi district kila sha Lynshop haka Erïong kabalawan kensan ha shiteng senya jong ka miet sngining kong kabalawan ra aru ya ka Julor kumba shi hajar arpu pratam ki long Ïing ya kani la yathu do Abilash Baranwal Deputy Commissioner jong kari Bhoi district habakran shakilat pathai khubor nen ka jan miet hadian ka jingalang ka bakarki bat ki block development officer ka district ban kmi banya ik jing sha kata jong ki pat ba hak bawle yathu bana kitei ki shajar art pratri ki long Ïing ki don ki ba Julor malumala bat ki don ru ki bala Julor bun ka Jingwan Lynshop kensan ketika Erïong kalwan ra aru ik jing thot haka boarding electric bekentup ya ka shispa lai pu ar kv transmission line jong ka thain umnyam bat bernihat bat ru ya ka lai phulai kv line jong ka thain nongpo Batling ba ka jingshim khia jong ki border district lambat ka Meghalaya Power Distribution Corporation Limited lala ban pin bhabyang hi ki boarding ki baladu u Abilash Baranwal ure thoru ba ka Jingwan shop ka Erïong lambat uslap ubajur kladon ru ka jingtwa khando hagi benta jong ka surok umling pathar khma bat ya kaneru tang hadian kumba ka tu por lala ban pin khot no ya ka khando ka batwa bat kamdon shu ka jingthot ha ka jingya jong ki kali hak bedei bat kilat jingarap pat nakalyang udisi kari Bhoi ule tho ba marmar hi nakalyang jong ki bol punya district kari Bhoi kila persyang ban penpoi kilat jingarap kum ki tarpal ki blanket bat ki marba mardi khamtam nakabenta ki tu long Ïing ki blasha penjulor ki Ïing ki sam ula pentep bru ba hak bedei bat kalat jingarap pisa kan sadon shwa ka jing khmi ibnya ya ka jingjulor hashwa ban pendrung ya ka pisa shaki bank account ki jongki ban pentikna bagi namduan setia kinu ki long Ïing ki bandu ikilat jingarap ki bor penya district haringkat bat ko office jong ki block ba pher haka district ki kinturu ikilanot bakin phone shaki number phone haki block ki jongki ne shaka DC office ki bakin thop kumni Deputy Commissioner Office pra iwei lai iwei pra iwei khandai iwei District Emergency Operation Center handriu not khandai not handriu lai saupra lane iwei not hanyo Nongpo Police Control Room, pra hanyo lai not khandai sau not pra not, lane khandai pra san handriu not pra sau san iwei sau. Umyam Police Control Room, pra hanyo lai iwei khandai, lai khandai not ar, lane pra lai hanyo not ar not iwei hanyo sau. Umrai Police Control Room, khandai handriu iwei ar khandai, ar handriu khandai san, lane khandai handriu iwei ar, pra hanyo ar, emergency helpline iwei ar.
So yesterday, after a late night storm, today we took a meeting with all the BDOs, with all the line departments to assess the damage that has been inflicted upon the entire district. So as per the compilation, as per the latest report that we have received from the BDO so far, a total number of 147 number of villages have been affected. More than 1,000 houses, I mean 1,028 houses to be exact, as of now, have suffered damages of various extents. Some houses have been fully damaged also, and some houses have received partial damage. Simultaneously, as far as the utilities are concerned, there was one landslide, small landslide on the Umling Patharkama road that has already been cleared, so that road has been restored. As far as electrical lines are concerned, that have suffered maximum amount of damage also. So, for example, near Umiam there has been some severe disruption. Barnihat also there has been disruption in the 132 kV lines, and simultaneously, as far as Nongpo is concerned, the 33 kV line is still yet to be restored. However, we are closely coordinating with the MEPDCL also to ensure that all these lines are restored as soon as possible. As far as relief measures are concerned, after the meeting that we had with the BDOs today, we had instructed our BDOs that they will be going to all the to as many villages as possible to assess the impact, to to connect, to basically reach out to all the people who have received the brunt, whose houses have been affected in the yesterday's storm. We have also disbursed dry ration and tarpaulin sheets in form of immediate relief to all these households, because collection of bank accounts and assessment of damage and then ultimate dispersal of the relief amount, which is basically the relief amount in terms of monetary compensation, that will take some time. But for immediate relief, we have disbursed dry ration through our FPS centers, as well as we have also disbursed tarpaulin sheets and blankets. Simultaneously, we have issued a public notice. I'll be sharing a copy with you, wherein we have circulated numbers of block offices, of DC office. If anyone within entire district feels that they have not received the relief despite being a victim of yesterday's storm, they can reach out to us, and these numbers will remain valid for this entire monsoon season. Whenever they feel that their houses, their infrastructures have suffered damage, they can reach out to us, and we'll make sure that immediate relief can be provided to them. We are also in close coordination with media. I want to thank our friends from media who have been calling me since morning and reporting me damages, and simultaneously very thankful to the local representatives also. I'm in touch with all honorable MLAs of Bhoi, and they have also reported different sorts of damages, which we are taking into account while dispersing relief.